Here's a scary number. The average payday loan borrower renews their loan 8 times before paying it off. 8. That means you don't escape the debt. You just keep buying more time inside it. If that sounds familiar, this video is your road map out. Step by step, I'll show you how to break free from payday loan debt and rebuild your financial footing with confidence. I'm Alex from RadCred, and over the years, I've seen countless people who thought payday loans would be a short-term fix, only to realize they turned into long-term chains. The truth is, getting out of payday loan debt isn't about luck or loopholes. It's about method, structure, and the right kind of help. That's what we specialize in at RadCred, helping people move from survival borrowing to real financial recovery. The first step is the hardest. Stop taking new payday loans to cover old ones. Every rollover resets your progress and inflates your total cost, even if it means tightening your budget or delaying non-essentials. Draw the line today. The cycle, it ends here. Next, take inventory. Write down every lender, the amount you owe, the fees, and the due dates. It's uncomfortable, but clarity is power. You can't fix what you can't see. And once you see the full picture, you'll realize it's not impossible, just overdue for a plan. Now it's time to rebuild the foundation. Separate your absolute essentials, rent, food, utilities, from everything else. Whatever remains goes towards debt repayment. If you can free even $50 to $100 a month consistently, you're already ahead of the trap that payday loans rely on: inconsistency. Here's where RadCred can help directly. Through a debt consolidation loan, you can combine multiple payday loans into one structured payment with lower interest, longer terms, and zero surprise fees. Or if you qualify, refinance into a personal loan that gives you breathing room without bleeding cash every 2 weeks. Either option replaces chaos with clarity. If you're already behind, don't hide. Contact your lenders directly. Many states allow extended payment plans or reduced fees if you communicate early. Lenders prefer a plan over silence, and RadCred can connect you to programs that support borrowers in distress. Once you've stabilized your payments, start rebuilding your credit. A good credit profile is the best shield against ever needing a payday loan again. Pay bills on time, use a secured card responsibly, and track your score monthly. With every positive mark, borrowing gets cheaper and safer. Payday loan debt preys on urgency. It thrives when you feel like you have no time to think, but you always have a choice, and you always have options. The difference is whether you act out of panic or out of a plan. If you're ready to break the payday cycle, visit radcred.com. Compare legitimate consolidation and refinancing options that fit your income and timeline. One form, real lenders, real relief. Because financial freedom isn't about avoiding debt. It's about finally understanding it.